Okay, children, here the next continuation part of the exercise 8.4. Let us discuss the next problems here. Here the problem number 7. Prove that sin theta minus 2 cos sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta. This is what we need to prove. Let us prove it by taking the LHS. Here the LHS is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. In this one, I will take sin theta outside, common outside. If I take sin theta common outside, what is left here? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta in the numerator. In the same way, in denominator also, here I will take the cos theta outside. If I take the cos theta outside, cos theta into, here it becomes 2 cos square theta minus 1 here. So this is equals to, let us simplify this one again, sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta, keep it as it is, whole divided by here cos theta into here 2, take this 2 as it is. Here find the value of cos square theta. The value of cos square theta is, here we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Here we need to find the value of cos square theta. So cos square theta is equals to what? Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. So let us take that value here. If I take here, it becomes 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1, keep this minus 1 as it is. Here this is equals to sin theta whole divided by sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by cos theta into, here it is, multiply this one, 2 into 1 is 2 into minus 1 minus sin theta is minus 2 sin square theta. Here it is minus 1 as it is, keep it as it is. So this is equals to sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole divided by cos theta into, here it is plus 2 minus 1. Plus 2 minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So here it is 1 plus 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Minus 2 sin square theta. So both these two get cancels. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta get cancels. So this is equals to sin theta by cos theta is what? Tan theta. Hence proof. It is the RHS. In this way we can prove this, children. Okay, let us go for the next problem. Here the next problem is problem number 8. We have to prove that sin A plus cosec A whole squared plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is what we need to prove. Let us prove it, children. Again by taking the LHS solution. Here I will take the LHS, expand this one, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, we know that a square, that is sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 into sin A plus 2 into sin A into cosec A. 2 into sin A into cosec A. Cosec A. This is the first part. Let us expand this one also. In the same way, we will expand the second one also. Here it is also in the same form, a plus b whole square. So it is cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A. 2 cos A into sec A. Here we have expanded the LHS. So let us simplify this one again. This is equals to, here sin square A is here, cos square A is here. Sum of these two is what? Sin square a plus cos square a. We know it, it is 1, or we will write it sin square a plus cos square a. We will make the group plus, here it is cosec square a. We can write this cosec square a as, we will write it next, cosec square a plus, here it is a 2 into sin a. Here cosec a can also be written as 1 by sin a. 1 by sin a plus, here it is cos square a we have taken there. Here it is a sec square a plus 2 into cos a into this sec a can also be written as what? 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a. So here this is equals to sin square a plus cos square a is equals to what? 1 plus cosec square a plus, here it is sin a get cancels, 2 ones are 2 plus sec square a plus, here cos a get cancels, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So this is equals to 1 plus cosec square a can also be written as what? 1 plus cot square a. We know the identity. Cosec square a is equals to what? Cosec square a is equals to 1 plus cot square a. 1 plus cot square a. In the same way, we know that sec square a is equals to 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a. We will use these two identities here. So it becomes cosec square a becomes 1 plus cot square a plus, here it is a 2. This sec square a becomes what? 1 plus tan square a plus 2 as it is. Now simplify this one again. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. Tan square a. Hence the RHS. Hence it is proved. This is how we can prove it, children, by using the identities. Let us go for the next problem here, the ninth problem. Okay, children, here we will go for the next problem. The next ninth problem is cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a is equals to 1 divided by tan a plus cot a. We will prove it by taking once by LHS and second time by RHS. Let us prove it by taking the LHS. Here I will take directly here LHS. Here cosec a can also be written as what? 1 by sin a. 1 by sin a minus, keep this sin a as it is, sin a. Here it is, this sec a can also be written as what? 1 by cos a minus cos a. So this is equals to, simplify this one again. Here it becomes, take the LCM. Here the LCM is sin a. Here it is sin a 1 here it is sin a. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus sin square a. Sin square a. Here it is, again here also same, take the LCM. LCM is cos a. Here it is 1 here it is cos a. So 1 into 1 is 1 minus cos a into cos a is cos square a. Cos square a. Simplify this one again. This is equals to 1 minus sin square a is what? We know it by using the identity. That is sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. Here we want the value of 1 minus sin square a. So 1 minus sin square a is what? Cos square a. So it is cos square a divided by sin a. Here also 1 minus cos square a. Take this cos on that side, it becomes 1 minus cos square. It is equals to what? Sin square a. So sin square a whole divided by cos a. Whole divided by cos a. This is equals to, here 1 cos, here 1 cos get cancels, here 1 sin, here 1 sin get cancels. So this is equals to what? Cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. This is LHS. It is LHS. Let us take the RHS here. Let us take and prove the RHS. RHS is also equals to this cos A or sin A or not. Let us check it out. This is equals to 1 divided by, this tan A can also be written as what? Sin A divided by cos A, plus cot A can also be written as what? Cos A divided by sin A. So this is equals to 1 divided by, take the LCM here. LCM is what? Cos A into sin A. Cos A into sin A. So here it is into sin A. Here it is into cos A. Into cos A. So it becomes what? Sin square A. Sin A into sin A is what? Sin square A. Plus here it is cos A into cos A is what? Cos square A. Cos square A. This is equals to 1 divided by 1. Here it is 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is equals to what? 1. We know the identity. Sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Let us take this value here. So it becomes what? 1. 1 divided by cos A into sin A. Simplify this one again, it becomes 1 into cos A into sin A. Reciprocal of this one, 1 into cos A into sin A. So this is equals to, this is RHS. So here observe here, cos A into sin A, cos A into sin A. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. So cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A is always equals to 1 by tan A into cot A. Thank you, children. In this way we can solve the problems. So if you have any doubts, comment me on my videos, your doubts, and also comment me how my classes are. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.